Yeah. Welcome to the $1 Million Corner, where we help entrepreneurs set up automated systems so that they generate money online. My name is Balix as usual, and I'm here to share with you a wonderful topic. Today we are going to talk about ShareASale. What is ShareASale? ShareASale is an affiliate marketing platform. Someone may ask, Hassan, why aren't you talking about Clickbank? Well, I'm talking about ShareASale because it works in all parts of Africa. And in this particular video, we are going to discover how to set up your ShareASale account and how to effectively use it to generate money online. Roll the intro. Okay, so welcome back. Now, like I said, we are going to be discussing how to use ShareASale so that you make money online, especially for people within Africa. If you're watching this within Africa, I am not doing Clickbank because ShareASale has a wider coverage in Africa than most of those other affiliate platforms. Now, back to ShareASale. So if you've clicked the link in the description, it should bring you to a page that looks something like this. So all you have to do is sign up for your account. So, for example, let's do a quick sign up process here. Username. Let's say the username is going to be Hassan01, for example, and then Hassan01 $. Password, of course, I'm not going to show you my password. Let's do a quick password. Make sure the passwords match. Okay. What country do you live in? Of course, I can't lie. These people can see my location. So I'm going to put, and again, this is where ShareASale is more advantageous compared to Clickbank. When I came to the countries within Clickbank, I couldn't find most of the African countries. So I was forced to look for an alternative to Clickbank, and ShareASale was the biggest alternative to Clickbank. So after you're done with that, so as you can see here, this is not the $sign is not allowed on the username. So let's take it off and then see what happens. That's a good lesson for us. Let's see what happens. Yeah, there you go. Now, the website. So if you don't have a website, I recommend using you can create a quick website using Wix.com. Wix.com is a platform that allows you to create a free website. You can just go and create a quick website with Wix.com. So if we go to Wix.com, you'll find that you can create a quick website. I already have a website with Wix, which I will put there right now. Okay, so when it comes to the website, you can create a website using a simple platform like Wix. Wix allows you to create free websites. As you can see here, I already have a website with Wix.com, and it takes you less than 30 minutes to have a complete website with Wix. Very free. You don't need to have any skills. You don't need to be a badass programmer or anything like that. So that's my website. So I will copy this URL and put that here. If you can't go to Wix, you can open up a free blog with WordPress. Just have a free blog, and then you'll have something to put in there. And then let's change the language to English. I don't know which language you speak. I prefer English. Does your website contain adult content? No. And then we move on to the next thing. So, of course, no adult content, and then do you utilize sponsored listings in pay-per-click search engines as part of your promotional strategy? Do you? You could say no, since you haven't been doing it. Do you utilize coupons? No. Do you utilize browser add-ons, toolbars? No. Are you an advertising network or affiliate network? Do you have a network of publishers? No. Okay, so now we are done with step 3. We've put the website. ShareASale requires a valid email address to associate your affiliate account. You'll be asked to confirm the data through the email address you provide below. So let me use my Gmail. Okay. And then move on to step 4. So we are done with the contact. Okay. So then contact information. Your first name. Please provide a brief description less than 240 characters of your site or your marketing plans. You don't need to go into details, but anything that you can describe about what you do will help individual merchants make a decision. So here you can say my site is all about empowering young entrepreneurs with skills and ways to grow their online businesses. Marketing mostly happens through paid ads, blogs, and YouTube videos. Paid ads, banners in blogs, and links in my YouTube videos. Incentive website. An incentive program is a website that rewards visitors for performing action. Domain ownership. Please also select I verify that I own the domain. So now that we're done with that, you read through. The final step is to let us know how you'd like to be paid for the commissions that you generate. I'm sure this excites many of you. Payments are made on the 20th, of course. These guys pay out their affiliates every 20th of every month. So all your commissions, much as your account will show the commissions that you've been making throughout the entire month, they will only pay out those commissions on the 20th. You may choose your payment method after the sign up. You may also change your payment method once accepted into the network. There are 2 payment options. Check via postal services and then check via Federal Express. So you can choose this later. Let's go and complete the sign up and then I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, you read through this user agreement. I've read it a number of times, so I agree and then I complete the application. So it's really that simple. There is no technical know what that you need. You don't need to know any coding. Just like that, you are an affiliate with ShareASale. So they have sent a confirmation email to my Gmail. Let me go and check my Gmail and then confirm that it's really me that signed up and that I own that Gmail account where they will be sending the information and newsletters. They just want to be sure that when they have any information to share, they can always, they have a valid email. So here it is. So this is the email from, you should receive an email that looks something like this. So all you have to do is just click on that link to confirm that it's a valid email address. So the link they sent me now brings me to this. Okay? The link they sent me now brings me to this. So as an affiliate, my username was Hassan01. Please remember your password. So application is in review process. We have reviewed the application. So once I'm accepted, I'll receive another email within 1 to 2 days that shows that I've been confirmed. However, I just needed to show you guys how to sign up how to sign up and become an affiliate with ShareASale. Now, for me, I already have an account with ShareASale, and this is what it should look like when you are an accepted member of ShareASale. Okay? So since I'm a new member, as you can tell, I've not yet started making sales. However, I've already been accepted by 3 merchants as their affiliates. Okay, so this is how it will look like. You can come here. I'm going to shoot a different video. That specific video was how to sign up, and now part 2 of this video is going to be about how to use ShareASale and how to share the links, how to get the links, and how to ask merchants to take you up as an affiliate. So you can go to that video right now. The link is in the description below.